Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about slang terms that you have to know more in the present day, and other cool people use this slang. So watch it and listen. Slang is an English expression that is not standard or is commonly referred to as bahasa gaul in Indonesia. Generally, the use of slang is not found in formal communication for both writing and pronunciation, but usually people use this in daily communication. Some slang is usually only popular for a short time, but other slang is used only by a small group of people. But generally, to be able English, films, and casual conversation with friends at works or at schools, some people use this slang. So, without any further ado, let's dive in. The term number 1 is make it snappy. What does it mean? Well, make it snappy, it means like we want someone or they want us to do something very quickly or to do it like immediately. For example, go ahead, but make it snappy, okay? It's like that. The term number 2 is out of my league. What does it mean? Well, out of my league is commonly used like someone is too great to beat, or family language in Indonesia is nggak level. So, the example is, you are obviously out of my league. Yes. Term number 3 is a party pooper. What? Party pooper? It sounds weird in your ears, right? Well, party pooper, it might be weird in your ears, but it means that if someone that do not support with certain activities or so for example in here is demonstration when your friends is not support for you to demonstrate the right way, then that person can be referred as the party pooper. So for example, if I say, you don't want to support me? Then you are such a party pooper. That is most important things that you have to support me. Whoop! Number 4 is wreck. Nah, that is not a title of films. I know what you think. Wreck-It Rap is it? No, but it's not a Wreck-It Rap that movie we're talking about. So, wreck in this slang, it means that when someone is very stressed and frustrated, but physical and mentally, and it turns to be wreck. For example, I was really totally wrecked yesterday because I just broke up with my boyfriend. Number 5 is tacky. I don't like that dress. They are really tacky. Do you get what I mean? Tacky means that you don't like that dresses or you don't like those things, and because it is very cheap and versatile, so it turns to be tacky. I don't like the dress because they're really tacky. Number 6 is go postal. Postal obviously related to the post office or correspondence, but in the slang, postal means like to lose control and to act violently, or to be filled with raging fury, or it could be like break under pressure and harm others. So it could be really bad. So for example, like this, Mike looks awfully upset today. I hope he doesn't go postal and kill us all. That is really bad. Number 7 is Airhead. Well, this slang is commonly used for past friends, which are we use commonly use this when we have a chit chat together. Well, airhead. Talking about airhead, it means like a stupid person. For example, my class's friend is a real airhead. Yeah. Number 8 is boo boo. If you make another boo boo like that, you won't have a job. Do you got what I mean? Well, boo boo in the slang, it means like a mistake. So if you make another mistake, you won't have a job. If you make another boo boo, you won't have a job. Number 7 is goofy. Goofy means like a little dumb, or for example like this. Yesterday at party it was really goofy and I don't like it because you are goofy. Do you get what I mean? Number 10 is jerking me around. Let's create a situation for this slang. If you are being asked by an immigrant officer and you can answer the question right away with the wrong answer, then the officer might say, "You are jerking me around." Do you get what I mean? It means that you are wasting his time and you cause him and in trouble. So, you are jerking me around. Besides learning grammar, we also have to study and understand about the how language is used in everyday English, but the sentences more often are included in slang or market language. By understanding and learning slang, at least when we speak to a native speaker, there is no misunderstanding. Don't let us hear people say dirty things, but instead we say thank you. It's gonna be weird, isn't it? Well, if you like my video, don't forget